minute, 4 seconds left for opening now.
All right, well, the opening is very, very good. We have opened above that 18,850 odd mark, and the IT pack, they are the stocks that are flying away. Just pull up the IT index itself. Well, markets have made fresh all-time highs, and IT index, well, that's flying away. The top 4 winners on the IT index, well, they're Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and TCS. All of them up and about, up more than 1%. Following them is the metal stock. So you have Tata Steel as well as Hindalco. Both of them have opened up with good gains in trade. Bajaj Auto, well, that one's opened up with a cut because those numbers have missed estimates by a large deal, and Rima will tell us exactly why in just a bit, particularly on the domestic part of it. From the broader markets, well, things have opened up very well. Just take a look at the advanced decline ratio. I'll tell you what, irrespective of what the Nifty does, if you get an advanced decline ratio anywhere close to what we are seeing on the screen by the time we wind up, well, the bulls will be very, very happy. So pull up a couple of names from the broader markets as well that are doing well. Birlasoft, Coforge, both of them flying away. L&T Infotech, that's up as well, 2.5% or thereabouts. And Shriram Transport, yesterday that seems to be some bit of an MSCI play that did play out yesterday. The stock ended high with a gain of around 7.5% odd. Today it's giving some part of what it put on. Maybe there was a rebalance that took place at some of those fund houses. So that one's down to around 3.5%. Otherwise, it's a good-looking screen. Powell is powering us ahead towards that 19,000 odd mark. Rima, what else?
Well, not 19,000 just yet, but we've got to 18,850 as we speak. Shilpa Medicare is up 6.5%. Its Telangana unit has got a good manufacturing practices certificate, so that's a positive. The stock has gained close to about 7% in trade. Easy Trip higher by 4.5%. Apart from that, IT stocks have been rallying for the last couple of days itself. So Birlasoft is up 3% today, but from 1st of October, that's in the last 1 month, it's seen a rally of close to about 15%. Even other names like Happiest Minds, L&T Infotech, these are stocks which have seen a significant rally for the last couple of days. So significantly higher for the IT names. On the losing side, Shriram Transport, as you pointed out, is down close to about 4%. Tire stocks continue to take a breather. JK Tire lower. Motherson Wiring is down 1.5%. And Bajaj Auto, as I was saying, the stock is open with a cut of close to about 2.7%. Overall sales declining by 19.5%, missing street expectations. But the miss is more on the domestic motorcycles. Exports continues to remain weak. Exports have fallen by 30% on a year-on-year basis. But on a month-on-month basis, the exports are holding up. It's still at that 1.5 lakh units. So exports is weak, but it's not that it's significantly lower than what the street was anticipating. The miss is on the domestic motorcycles, where I think the number is again closer to that 1.5 lakh. And if you remember, in the last 3 months, Bajaj Auto's domestic motorcycle sales were above or around 2.5 lakh. So from a run rate of 2.5 lakh in the month of August, September, October, it's fallen down to 1.5 lakh. And that's where the big miss has come through on Bajaj Auto, and that's driving that big cut. So this time, it's both the segments which have turned out to be a bit subdued for Bajaj Auto. One thing we need to see how much of it is the post-festive demand waning off, and the other is, of course, the supply side issue and problems with the rural market, etc.
Absolutely. So the top sectors are this morning are metals and IT services, and